about the importance of this plantation and the importance of this particular organization and how it is contributing to our society all over the world, not only in India. In short, he will tell you how the values have been added, by doing service activity in the society by Satya Sai Seva organization.
Medical, like tree plantation, service to the needy, like there is a super specialty hospital in Puttaparthi providing free heart bypass surgeries. Do you know how much amount is spent for bypass surgery? Do you know? About 10 lakhs. General idea. But can you believe that treatment is free of cost in that hospital? That too to everybody without asking their caste, creed, religion. And even nobody will ask you whether you believe in Baba or you will believe in Baba. So they are providing free of cost to everybody. There is no cash counter. There is a water supply project for 700 villages. Now Bhagwan has inspired for that water supply project. Like that same hospital in Whitefield, Bangalore, they are providing such kind of service activities. So the role motto of Sri Satya Sai Seva organization is help ever, hurt never. We should help everybody and serve everybody. And second is love all, serve all. So on that series, we are here under the divine guidance of Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba. We are here with you and to spread love by way of plantation, because this tree, this plant will provide food for insects, birds, shelter to everybody, and at the same time it's an inspiration, because lots of from you will go to teaching or some other professions. You will also inspire people for this tree plantation. That's why we are here with you, and the youth is responsible for the upcoming future of India. So we are here with you to spread love and to serve all humanity. Jai Sai Ram. He is with us. He is a retired professor from HPU. He is an expert in this tree plantation, in this botany field, and lots of students have done PhD under his guidance. So it's a great fortunate for all of us. He is with us. So, and he is a great devotee of Baba also, and he has spread love, and you can say it's a role model for all the devotees of Shimla or Himachal Pradesh. So I request Dr. Nikunpal sir to please express his views.
Love for plants, love for animals, and that is the program is named, that is christened as प्रेम तरु. तरु आपको पता नहीं हिंदी कितनी आती है, तो तरु इज ए वृक्ष को कहते हैं, एंड प्रेम इज लव. सो अगेन द बेसिक सबस्ट्रेटम on which this is raised, that again is love. And why this has been undertaken? Why do we undertake plantations? Somebody would like to say something? Why are we undertaking plantations? Is this just a ritual? Why do we undertake it?
To balance our ecosystem.
To balance our ecosystem. Why there is a need to balance ecosystem? What is an ecosystem? Ecosystem consists of all the totality of factors which govern the environment.
एक सुयोग्य मानवीय जीवन पर अग्रसर होने में सहायता करने के लिए शिक्षा की क्या भूमिका है, भगवान आज हमें प्रेम पूर्वक समझाते हैं और प्रेरित करते हैं. पुस्तकों का अध्ययन करके अथवा व्याख्यानों को सुनकर मानवीय मूल्यों का अभ्यास नहीं किया जा सकता. उन्हें व्यक्तिगत प्रयास द्वारा विकसित करना पड़ता है. विद्यार्थियों, वास्तविक शिक्षा में तुम्हारे द्वारा उच्चारण किए गए प्रत्येक शब्द को पवित्र बनाने के साथ साथ तुम्हारे प्रत्येक विचार और कर्म को भी शुद्ध करना सम्मिलित है.